Okay, we take a 3/4 inch wrench and loosen the top nut. The solenoid comes off. There's a washer underneath here. Take a 1-inch, we made this deep well socket. Take a 1-inch, that'll unloosen the coil. Coil will come out. And what's happening is that this valve is getting stuck. So we take a 3/8 ball wrench and put it inside there. And if it's moving freely, it's fine. A lot of them that are stuck will be permanently stuck, and you've got to put some WD-40 and work that free. Once it's free, well, actually, I just had another one here, making sure that's free. Put it in. Tighten it to the torque spec. Let's put it on tighten. Tighten to the torque spec, which we will provide. Put the coil back on the right way. Tighten the nut with the 3/4 inch wrench. And your solenoid operated valve should be free.